Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 7 grammar success with composition chapter number 6 use of articles. So if you have not watched the previous chapters, kinds of nouns, countable and uncountable nouns, modal verbs, adjectives, degrees of comparison. So here look at the screen, you can go to the playlist section and also watch. So here use of articles. So fill in the blanks with suitable indefinite articles. So you know indefinite articles a and an are called indefinite articles. So there are two types of articles: definite article, indefinite article. Definite article, you know, the is known as the definite article, and a and an are called indefinite articles. So here you have to use a or an. So here the first one: have you got dash headache? So as you know, before the pronunciation, vowel pronunciation, so you have to use an. If there is any consonant sound, you have to use a. So here as headache, so you have to use a, not an. Would you like to be dash actor? So here pronunciation, here's vowel, so you have to use an actor. Then next, what dash beautiful garden? What a beautiful garden? I have dash a sore throat. I have a. Would you like to be an English teacher? An English. So here pronunciation e, right? Vowel. So you have to use an. I am dash optimist. I am an optimist. O. That means a pronunciation. So an should be used. Do you need dash umbrella? O. That means a. Okay. Vowel sounds. So you have to use an. He was crying dash empty bottle. He was carrying. Here the empty sounds vowel, so you have to use an. He was carrying an empty bottle and an orange. So here orange o, okay, a sounds. Dash European paid them a visit. A European. So here as you find there is vowel e, but sounds European u, okay, u. So you have to use a, not an. A European. Dash one-eyed man was begging outside their door. A one-eyed, not an, okay, a. This is definitely dash useful book. A useful, not unuseful. U, okay, not here the here the pronunciation, okay, u. So this is consonant, so we should use a. This is definitely useful book. It would prove to be a rare possession. A. Then next, a man saw a dash boy. A boy riding an ass. Anand saw a pigeon, an eagle, a crow on the top of his house. Such dash accident has never occurred before. Such an accident. Okay, accident. That means a. Okay. Beware of that dog. It is a ferocious dog. She aspires to be a university professor. A university, not an university. Okay, a university. We have only a little sugar left. He bought a kilo of mangoes and a bottle of ink. Dash ant and an insect are very small in appearance. The next, she works 8 hours a day, 6 days a week. Okay. The next year, definite article the. Just you have to read out all the uses of definite as well as indefinite article a and the. So here fill in the blanks with an article wherever necessary. So here the first one, as he was coming back from school. So here there is no need to use the article, just put a cross mark here. He met with an accident. One of the spectators phoned for an ambulance, okay, and the police. Then next, the captain of the football team, the captain, okay, definite article the should be used here. Team has resigned. No one knows the reason. The. Then next, where is the piece of piece of cloth? So here you should put a cross mark. I bought this afternoon. We are talking about the particular piece. That's why here the is used. He lives in a bungalow at the top of the hill. Okay. So here first one indefinite, then second and third one the definite. He is a salesman for an agricultural farm. My friends lives in an old house in a small town. I saw an accident this morning. A car crashed into a tree. There is not an airport near my house. The nearest. So as you find here superlative degree is used. Nearest. So the should be used. Dash honest man. An honest man is the noblest. So you find here superlative degree is used. Noble, nobler, noblest. So noblest. So you should use definite article the. The next dash Taj Mahal. So you know before the proper noun. Okay. It is used before the name of monuments like the Taj Mahal. So here you should use the. The Taj Mahal is the finest tomb in the world. Okay. The next, a year ago I visited an island. Clear? Then next here omissions of articles. So just you have to read out, okay, all the rules of using article a and the as well as the omission of articles. Then next here insert articles wherever necessary, put a cross where there is no it is not required. Dash earth. So before you know natural element, object, the earth. Okay, the earth moves around the sun. He is the cleverest. So here you find there is superlative degree is used. He is the cleverest boy in the class. The next here he is a European, not an. Okay, he is a European, but his wife is an Indian. The next I bought a cow, comma, a buffalo and an ox. The next a drive through the countryside will be nice. The next year a police officer came to the hotel. The police came to the house to investigate. There was an article on pollution in the paper. Last week an oil tanker spilled oil into the sea, damaging wildlife. The world's weather is changing. Pollution is having an effect on our climate. An orange contains vitamin C, while a melon also has many vitamins. I have not been to the movies for ages. Let's go and see at least a movie today. Have you seen? Okay, so as you know here name of boy here Rahul. So don't use here article, just put a cross. Have you seen Rahul since morning? Then next Gujarat and I arrived at the same time. Then next silver is cheaper than gold. Don't use the silver is cheaper than the gold. This will be wrong. So put both here cross. You will find the information you need at the top of the page number 101. There are two cars parked outside, a blue one and a grey one. Then next the blue car. So here the is used because here before we had already talked about the car. Okay, a car. That's why here again the same car is mentioned here. So definite article the should be used. The blue car belongs to my neighbor. I don't know who the owner of the grey one is. Okay. The next, did Samir get the job he applied for? The next year dash house is very nice. The house is very nice. Does it have a courtyard? The next, rewrite the following sentences, inserting or omitting articles wherever necessary. The first one has been done for you as an example. The iron is useful metal. So as we already discussed before, material noun we don't use the. Iron is a useful metal. So similarly, Paris worship a fire. Paris worship a fire. Before uncountable noun, no article is used. Okay, a fire. This is wrong. So just you have to cross article and write Paris worship a fire. Then next, Delhi is on the Yamuna. So before the name of river, Ganga, Yamuna, the Yamuna, the Mahanadi. Okay, so you should use definite article the before Yamuna. The next year, gold is more valuable. The gold is more valuable than the lead. So as we have already discussed, no article should be used before material noun. Okay, so just you have to cross the two article, definite article here, the. You have to write gold is more valuable than lead. Then next year, health is better than the wealth. So just you have to cross here the. Okay, the definite article, health is better than wealth. Then next, the English defeated French. The English defeated the French. Okay, so you have to write the French. Then next, sun rises in east and sets in west. The sun, before you know, natural element object, the sun, okay, rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay, so here you have to use the sun, the east, the west. The next year, his bicycle had the puncture. He pushed a bicycle to a shop to have puncture repaired. So here you have to okay, just cross the use a puncture. His bicycle had a puncture. Then he pushed the bicycle. Okay, you should erase a and use the to a shop to have the puncture. Okay, so you have to use the before puncture. Clear? The next year, a hotel offers you best food at a moderate price. The hotel. So you have to erase a, use definite article the. The hotel offers you the best. You know best superlative degree. So you should use the food, the best food at a moderate price. So here a should be used. Where is a piece of cloth I bought yesterday? We are talking about a particular piece of cloth. That's why the should be used. Where is the piece? So you have to erase a and use the. The next year, fill in each blank space with the suitable articles a and the. So here I went to the airport at 6 a.m. yesterday. I had to catch a flight to Paris. The lines at the airport were very long, so I had to wait for a long time. Once the plane took up, I tried to get some sleep, but I couldn't. Then I ate a pretty good meal, a rare occurrence on airplanes. Later I spoke to one of the flight attendants for a while. She was pretty. She told me that the pilot of the airplane was French. I managed to fall asleep for about an hour. After I woke up, I felt refreshed. I ordered a juice, then another. Okay, generally it was a pretty smooth flight. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.